Tim McGarry from Epoxy Flooring Co. Today I want to talk about whether or not your epoxy coating will crack or chip. And the answer is, if you try hard enough, it will crack or chip. But generally speaking, the average garden variety person are not going to be able to crack it. So this is the back of one of our work trucks. We put this coating on about 18 months ago just to see how tough it was. And all day, every day, we have equipment being dragged across it. That generator up there weighs about 80 odd kilos. This is one of our small grinders. It weighs about the same. You can see there, that's the diamond shoes that sit on the bottom of them. So we pick up the gear, we literally just dump it on top of the tailgate. Quite often we then just spin it and drag it in. If I show you the back of it, the boys are not gentle on the truck or on the equipment. So we think it's probably the toughest test we could give a floor. And it has chipped in a couple of places. You can see here, there's a chip. Now you can see there's kind of a sort of yellowy browny color underneath that. That's actually an epoxy coating on the bottom of it, which was a product called Crazy Bond by Epoxy to You. So that is still intact, but we've managed to chip through the flakes and the top coat. Now, what we can do is go back and just put a little bit of epoxy in that, sprinkle some more flakes on top, and you'd never know. It's one of the awesome things about these full flake epoxy coatings, that you can do patches, and because there's no straight lines, you can never tell where you've done it. Generally speaking, this whole section though is in good condition. It's filthy. Most of it I can just wipe off with a rag. This is just water on a rag, and it'll clean up a lot of this stuff. So if I concentrate over here, there. That's actually what it's supposed to look like. The rest of it's just so filthy, but we're not into cleaning it all day, every day. I think it's just a brilliant example to show just how tough the coatings are. So the answer is, yes, you can crack or chip it if you try hard enough. And we've tried really hard over the last 18 months. And you know, we've done small sections, but that's about it. So if you're just a little bit careful and mindful, you put an epoxy coating down, especially a full flake seamless coating like this one, they really are very difficult to chip or crack. See you on the next video.